Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Okay, so once again, first of all, I'm trading on one of the best trading platforms, Pocket Option. And now I'm just setting the candles for the current chart. Moreover, let's choose the indicators. The first one will be zigzag together with ADX and two moving averages. So now let's set the moving average. The first one will be a red one. Okay, so let's save it. The second one, let's change the period. It will be 5 EMA together with green color. Okay, so let's save it also. Fine, so let's also set the ADX. Let's change the data in it. And let's change the colors also. Okay, so it's done. Now guys, let's proceed to our trading activity for today. So according to the first trade, we can clearly see that ADX is telling us that we're now in the buy zone. So that's why let's change our investment to $68 and open first buy position. According to the current movement, I can be quite sure that we're highly likely to break through the resistance line zone and move higher. So that's why I have opened buy position here, investing our $68. Well, so the first trade is closed with profit and we have around $230. Now let's proceed to the next one. And what can we find interesting here? According to the current movement, we're moving into the descending channel. I have opened sell position right now, investing our $130. You can clearly see that price has already touched the upper edge of the current descending channel. Let me draw it for you so that you can see this clearly. Well, it's done. You can clearly see that, yes, we have touched the upper edge. Afterwards, we started receiving the pullback reaction. And now price is moving towards the middle line of the descending channel. And if we break through it, then we will go much lower towards at least the bottom line of the current descending channel. So now we have already broken through the middle line. And price is going to finally hit the bottom line. Just several seconds left and we will see the result of this trade, guys. Just several seconds left. And yep, it's done. So one more profitable trade and we have around $350 on the account. And ADX is telling us that we're highly likely to drop more. So that's why let's change our investment to $250 and stop. Now let's open buy position. Why? Because according to the moving average, prices is now staying on the support line zone and zigzag is not in the sell zone yet. So yeah, the buy position will be more appropriate here. That's why I have already opened it, investing our $250 in this trade. And now just let's wait for some seconds left and see the result of this trade. I'm sure that I am right, but let's check. Let's just check what will we have. Anyway, we have around $100 left on the account as a hedge asset. We have just invested $250 on this trade, so that we did not go all in here, and that's a nice point. And almost done. And yep, guys, so finally this was a profitable trade. We have around $580. Don't forget to check the description to this video, because here you will find the best link for my private teaching, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message in the TG telling me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day and get your cash daily. So don't forget to do this. Check the description right now and subscribe to my private TG using the link below. Okay, guys, so while I was talking, I have already drawn for you the upgoing channel in which price is moving right now. And as you can see, I'm changing my investment to $480. I'm opening buy position in continuation of the current growth because price has just hit the bottom line of the upgoing channel, and after this we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction in the continuation of the current growth. Moreover, price has already hit not only the bottom line of the upgoing channel but also the moving average, which is acting right now as a support line zone, as a trend line. So that's why we are almost sure that we will receive a very strong reaction from this support line zone. Okay, that's it. Let's just wait for some seconds and see whether I was right. I'm sure I was. And yep, guys, that's it. We have around $930 on the account. Now we are ready to move forward and make some more. Here, what do we have? The first thing that we can see a very sharp descending movement without any stops. And of course, I will open sell position in continuation of this movement. Because when you see such strong drop, there is no sense just to try to buy the assets, because you will just catch the knife and this knife will just kill you. All you need is just to follow the trend and see if you even want to buy. You just need to wait for the stop consolidation, and after this, according to the master balance strategy, you can open a buy position, but not earlier. So for now, we have just opened sell position in continuation of the current downgoing movement, and we have invested $830 in this trade, and still we have around $100 left on the account, which is our hedge asset. So that's it, guys. Oh my god, what a nice downgoing movement. We do this without any stops. That's really nice and I like to see this. Okay, so let's choose Audi NZD, and once again you can clearly see that price is dropping right now and we're staying on the support line zone. But I'm quite sure that we will highly likely break through it, so I have opened sell position, investing my $1,400 in this trade, expecting the potential breakout from the consolidation zone and breakthrough of the support line zone. So that's it. Now let's just see. Let's just wait and see what will we get. If we break through this support line zone right now, then we will drop like a fuck without any stops. Just few seconds, guys, and we will see. Yep, we have made the new local low. We have broken through. We have gathered the stop losses of the buyers, and this brings us enough of liquidity for the continuation of the drop. And we're doing this, my friends. Just look at this. What a nice result we have right now. And yep, this is one more profitable trade, and we have around $3,000 on the account. We started with just $160 and we have turned them into $3,000. Guys, that's a really nice result. And if you want to do the same, you can easily do this by joining my Wapy channel and my Telegram channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So don't waste your time, brothers and sisters. Do this right now, be with me. All you need is just click on the subscribe button. So I'm waiting for you, and I wish you the best, wonderful and amazing day. See you all, and bye bye.